This is QGeem USB C to HDMI adapter. It's a very simple adapter and user manual. Here is a plastic cap, and the surface is metal, and here they have a little thing that's easy to grab. It looks pretty durable, and the cable is good. Alright, so let me see if it fits good. I'm going to test the HDMI. Okay, pretty tight. I'd say that it's fit pretty well. You see this? Alright, so basically you don't need to worry about if it's gonna to fall off. Should be okay. And let's test the USB-C. Okay. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.